Welcome to my sweeping leg puppy press tutorial. I'm going to show you a bent leg variation as well as a straight leg. Also show you front, back, and side view. I'm going to show you the movement first and then we're going to go into the puppy press. Let's get started. To start, you're going to place your hands down shoulder width apart. Legs are a little wider than hip width. Lift one leg. You're going to sweep that leg behind your standing leg all the way out to the side. Come onto your tippy toes, engage your oblique. So you're basically making a circle with your leg. When your leg is at the very top, this is the bent leg variation. You're going to bend the leg and then pretend we're pressing and then straighten the leg out. Let's try the other side. Lift the leg, sweep it behind the standing leg all the way out to the side. Come onto the tippy toes, engage your obliques. Leg comes up and over, bend the leg. Once you're up, then you straighten the leg. Straight leg variation, same thing, but you're just not going to bend your leg. Sweep your leg behind the standing leg. Come onto your tippy toes, engage your obliques. Leg comes up and over, and you should be in your handstand. But that is, I'm showing you the movement first. Other side. Lift, cross behind the leg, sweep up and over. Come onto your tippy toes, engage your oblique, up and over, and down. So, you're sweeping towards the standing leg, up and over, creating a circle with the leg. Now, let's try it and try to press all the way up. Here we go. Bring the leg behind, sweep up and over, come onto your tippy toes, crunch your obliques. The higher you can lift your hips, the easier it is to press. Okay, let's try the other side. Sweep behind you, up and over, come onto your tippy toes, engage your obliques, bend that leg. Hips up and over, straighten both legs, and then bring it down. Now, let's try the straight leg variation. Whew. Here we go, plant your hands. Sweep your legs behind, out to the side, onto your tippy toes, engage your obliques, lift up and over, and then come down. Try the other side. Here we go, sweep behind you, to the side, come onto your tippy toes, up and over, engage your obliques, and press up. Now, to show you the side view. Place your hand down, shoulder width apart. Lift one leg, sweep that leg behind your standing leg. Come onto your tippy toes, lift up and over, bend that leg for your bent leg variation. Lift up and press up. Again, the higher you can get your hips, the easier it is to press up. Other side. Sweep the leg behind you, up and over, come onto your tippy toes, engage your oblique, lift up and over, straighten out the leg. Now, for your straight variation, lift the leg, sweep behind, come onto your tippy toes, up and over, get the hips high, so it's easier to lift off of the floor. Other side, and sweep the leg, up and over, come onto your tippy toes, leg comes up and over, engage your oblique and lift your leg off of the mat. Now for the back view. Plant your hands shoulder width. Feet are hip width apart or wider than hip width. Spread the fingers out. Lift your leg. Sweep it behind your standing leg all the way out to the side. Come onto your tippy toes. Lift it up and over, not Engage your oblique. Bend the leg. lift up and over. Try the other side. Sweep your leg behind, all the way out to the side. Come onto your tippy toes, bend the leg, lift up and over. Okay, almost done. Now your straight leg variation. Lift your leg, sweep behind, tippy toes, engage your oblique, bring the leg up and over. And straighten the other leg, or lift the other leg, not straighten the other leg. Your other leg's already straight. Okay, last side, here we go. Lift the leg, sweep it behind you, out to the side. Come onto your tippy toes, engage your oblique. Lift your leg up and lower when you're ready. Thank you for watching my sweeping leg puppy press tutorial. I hope you have a better understanding of the sweeping leg movement. All of my outfits were provided by Jed North Yoga. I'm going to put a link below so you can go check them out. Have a great day.